Here we have a Rheotherm thermal mass flow instrument manufactured by Intech Incorporated, your process flow partner. And this specific configuration has a sensor with remote electronics and a local readout. Our demo unit here, we have a reservoir full of liquid that's feeding the inlet of our flow sensor here. The liquid is flowing through our sensor, and this is where we're making a measurement. Our Rheotherm flow meter has no moving parts, and the only material to come in contact with your fluid is the flow tube itself. So there is no contamination of your fluid from our flow sensor. Intech's Rheotherm thermal mass sensor has resistant temperature detectors mounted on the outside of the flow tube, and we're measuring the inlet fluid temperature and measuring how much heat is being carried away from the fluid from a downstream heater, and that is how we make our flow measurement. Go ahead and adjust the flow rate and zoom in on the display so you can see we're making an actual measurement.